The Cluffy insoles are flat in the package when purchased. The blue gel heel pad is under the heel and the toe wedge goes under the big toe. You will notice that the insoles contain labels for the heel and the proper side up. Notice the right and left mark on the blue heel of the insole. Remove the existing shoe liner in the shoe before inserting the Cluffy insoles. Check to make sure the Cluffy insole is the same length or slightly shorter than the shoe liner. If the Cluffy insole is longer than the shoe liner, call us to arrange for an exchange. Place the shoe liner over the Cluffy insoles to compare the shape of the insole needed for your shoe. If needed, trim the front of the insole, as seen here, that is exposed. Make sure you do not trim the lift under the big toe. Remember, the geometric patterns go up into your shoe. Toggle the Cluffy insoles up with your hand and slide the insoles into your shoe. Use your other hand to guide the insoles into the shoes and prevent it from bunching up. Make sure the insoles are flat in your shoe and the heels are flat into the back of your shoes. Insert your feet into both shoes and notice how the insoles go up and around the arches on the inside and outside of your foot to provide ideal support where needed.